How to create TikTok business account. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. Creating a TikTok business account is easy and comes with benefits like access to analytics, ad tools, and a music library for commercial use. For that, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, simply tap on the profile option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile page. Now there, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and some options will be available on your screen. From there, tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Once you tap on it, tap on the account option. Then once inside account, tap on the switch to business account. Then tap on the next. Once you tap on the next option available there, you will be navigated to other options as well. Simply tap on the next and continue with it. Again, tap on the next. Now simply tap on the continue option available there and now choose a category that best describes your business. Example, fashion, beauty, education, and there are many more other options available on the list. Scroll down and look for the one that best suits you and tap on it. Then tap on the next option available to complete the setup. Then once you choose one, you will be navigated to add your email. You can skip it, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.